In this video, I'm going to show you how to import trades from Webull to TraderVue. So the first thing you have to do here inside your account dashboard, you want to click on the Import Trades button here at the bottom left. And then when you do that, you're going to be directed to the Import Trades tab where you can select if you want to do a broker sync or standard import. Now, if you want to actually import trades from Webull, you will not be able to do a broker sync because Webull is not on the list of available brokers yet here. However, you can go to standard import, and then if you click on here to select the broker, down at the very bottom you'll be able to see Webull. So just click on Webull, and then you can also add an account tag if you want to. I'm going to leave this as default, and then you can also select if you want to always require to select an account tag or not. So I'm going to leave this like that, and then here you have two options. The first one is to actually import from a file. So if you actually have a CSV file like me over here, you'll be able to do that, or you could also just paste the data. Over here on the right hand side, it's going to show you which asset types are actually supported. So stocks and options are supported, and over here it's going to show you how to do it. So first you have to go into the Webull mobile application and then click on the account button or the Webull logo on the bottom. Then you want to go to orders and then click on the download symbol in the top right corner. Then you have to click on submit. Now once you've done that, a file will be emailed to your account email, and then you have to move that file to your desktop, of course, to a folder, and then from here you can just go ahead and upload it in here. So just follow these instructions, go ahead and upload it like this. So I'm just going to drag and drop this in here over here. This is just like a random CSV file, just so I can show you how to actually proceed. So it may not work for me because it's not actually from Webull. However, it still is a CSV file. So just drag and drop it in here, or click over here to upload, or alternatively you could just paste your data over here in case you have the option to do that, and in case your export does not work for whatever reason. Then click on import trades over here. It's going to start loading, and whenever that's done, you'll be able to go ahead and import them. So as you can see here, it didn't basically it didn't do anything because it's still queued for processing. And then of course, whenever you do put in the correct files, it will show you your trades in here, and you can then import them. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.